Hey everybody, got Stock Lock Sunday here. I had a video of this picked. I guess my storage got too full, so trying to rewatch it, got maybe halfway through and then everything just stopped. So let's see if we can do this again here. It's a Chicago cabinet lock. I got this from a person who asked me to pick it off of their cabinet because they lost the key, so fun little lock. Let's see if I can get that tensioner in there. Maybe make some more room so I can actually get the pick in there. There we go. Yeah, I even had a short little video. I knew I was running out of space, so that's why I picked something I wouldn't have to gut, but yeah, couldn't even do a minute. So I got a lot of videos to go through, and I just really need to delete all the old ones I've actually gotten uploaded already. Let's try to find a better place for that tensioner. I had plenty of room last time. I don't know why I'm having trouble even getting the pick in. All right. Yeah, I think it's a 4-pin lock here. It's weird, it wants to give you a counter, but if you follow it, you're not going to get anywhere pretty much. So you just got to hang in there. Probably just low tolerance. I'm having so much trouble now. I was up to 1 minute on that last video. Come on. Yeah, see, it looks like it goes into a false set there. Really weird. But you don't give it any counter rotation, and it usually just picks. Yeah, just like that. There we go. 3 times as long as the last one, but hey, can't always do it quick. Anyways, there's a little Chicago cabinet lock here for Stock Lock Sunday. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.